We're just finishing up the last few items here. I just had the steering wheel sitting on there before. So just a very, very light dab of blue Loctite on this bolt. Not much at all. Do this without scratching this up. Wish I had a driver that fit this. This will work. I had ordered the center emblems for the hub piece here off of Etsy, and they finally showed up. They're actually really nice. Because it took so long, he ended up sending me an extra one, which I thought was nice. So here's the one that I made, and here's the one that came from Etsy. I had to sand the edges of it just a little bit to get it to fit in there, so evidently he ships them just a little bit oversized. So I like them both, but I got that one in there, so I'm going to go with that. Can always change that later. I'm going to have to put a little lube on that O-ring. Yeah, probably going to have to. I won't mess that up. So what happened was that the hub adapter to the steering wheel, that's slightly off center, so it wouldn't allow this to slip in there fully. So I had to clean this edge up a little bit. Just did that with a round rotary file. It's always something. Now I got air pressure pushing it out. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Straight. Oh, yeah. Putting the passenger seat in for the last time. I did the Breeze seat base mod. So this thing basically just attaches to that base that's already down and riveted with 4 bolts. Pretty simple. Hitting on there. Keeping that from going down at the moment. Okay, problem. Oh no. loosen these two up a little bit. It's always something. Never smooth. These bolts go through the 3/4 tube base for the seat, and the one of the bolts was just hanging up on the threads. So it popped into place. Right. Nope. You can see the 4 bolts there. One there, and then it puts that board in there just to stiffen up the seat bottom cushion and stuff. Makes it a little more comfortable. Plus, it also tilts the seats backwards just a little bit of an angle. Got one thing left. These come with little pins on the back, so you want to get rid of those because I'm not drilling holes in the body for these. They just break right off. A pair of duck bills or vice grips or whatever you got. Take a little sandpaper to that. It's gonna have tape on it, but I don't like leaving a burr on there. So this is the trunk badge. I think the measurement was 17 3/4 from here down to the badge. But I like where it looks good there. Just using the 3M double-sided emblem tape. I guess you could use silicone if you want. This stuff works pretty good though. That's what I put the side badges on. If you can get the damn tape off. Without messing it up. Some sticky stuff. I have to get another piece of tape and try to pull it off. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. There you go. sure you got the orientation of it correct before you push it down. Yep. That looks good. Oh yeah. I'm a snag. And the front emblem goes 10 3/4 inches down from here, which doesn't seem right because that's not centered in here, but those two dimensions give you visually equal distance from the front to the emblem and from the back to the emblem. So there's that. Or put the dang thing where you like it. You could center it up in here. That would look good too. But most of them I've seen have been offset just a little bit down there. So but I think visually that's where it looks the best. But whatever's your preference. It's not authentic anyway. Who cares? Don't put them on at all. I did clean the paint with alcohol too prior to putting this on. Well, that wraps up the build portion. Next, I'm going to do one final bolt check, fluid check, and we'll get it fired up. Start doing some test drives in it. See how we're doing. I'm sure it'll be fine though. I think I'm going to throw some wax on it first then. Might do that tomorrow. Very happy with the way it turned out. But man, I'll tell you what, that was a lot of work. It's about 2.5 years. But well worth it.